I've just disconnected the tow bar from the car and swapped the wheels out, getting ready for our first time ever autocrossing. While we were there, we happened to see some Mazda RX-8s that didn't exactly have a stock engine in them. Two of them had LS swaps in there, and here was a fine example of one.
You got them all nicely wrapped. I haven't seen spark plug wires that big. Those are huge.
Yeah, that's truthfully, everything is too tight here for not to be wrapped. So
there it is on the right, and here's Jeremy's car, which I've done a couple videos on already. Jeremy and my car were the two that were in the class. We had three drivers. Here is a sample lap. It's kind of a big letter A, coming up the right arm of the letter A. Cross over to the middle here. Now we get to do a 270-degree round the cone loop-de-loop. Come up the other side of the letter A. There's a big chicane here to kind of slow down traffic a bit. Then we're at the top corner of the letter A. Fairly fast sweeper there. Another one here. Keep the speed on here as long as you don't hit that cone. And you come up on some chicanes. I'm going to start rubbing speed off here in order to be able to make this right-hander back to the center of the A. Another 270-degree loop-de-loop. It's the same one, just opposite direction. Coming in for the final straightaway. A couple of chicanes, and that's wide open throttle to the timing lights, which are down here in the tent. There's the timing lights. Now you got to stop before the next set of cones. I was getting a little bit of chatter out of the front end there, which I need to work on. Here, the car's coming in even hotter. This time I hit the brakes even worse, and I get a lot of chatter out of the front end. That's not good. Here's a GoPro up close looking at the right wheel. You can see the chatter up close and in person. As a matter of fact, this little bar here with the 33 written on it ended up bent. Yeah, there's a still picture of it. We bent it just doing that chattering. At the end of the video, we finally figured out what caused it, but giving the car to my son after I had modified the suspension caused this little get-off on the road, which kind of was a surprise to him and I guess all of us. Of course, I didn't know at that point that we had modified the suspension for him. Here we are going in slow-mo. He got the front end hopping, he lost steerage. And then right here he's on top of a culvert, and then he drops down into the ditch and kind of jumps over the culvert. This is the damage to the car. There's a little bit of a dent in the aluminum and a little bit of mud sprayed around. Really not too much damage. And this is a few laps later. He still seems to be carrying extra speed there. He decides to take out a couple of cones. And he doesn't realize he's dragging this cone here. And he comes into the loop and there's no cone there. But that released cone, he comes around the loop and all of a sudden there's a cone in his path. He's like, what? How did that get there? It's kind of funny. He didn't even realize he was the one who placed the cone there. And here we're starting to do analysis as to what the problem is. And I had already shaken the wheels on Jeremy's car and got a good feel for what they should feel like.
Yeah, but the back's got a notice.
That's Jeremy there checking out my front wheel. Ron, the man who helped us assemble the whole car, and myself and my son there holding his helmet.
You can hear that one ticking. I think I just got to tighten my wheel bearing.
And now Jeremy and I adjusted the shocks in order to make them a little bit more rigid, a little less supple. Well, that wrapped up a fun day of autocrossing. We learned a lot. We'll get the car up and running better than it was last time. Get the wheel bearings tightened and fix her up again. Have a good day.